this tutorial we'll talk about preparing the layout of a map for printing. If you go to the lower left corner, you will see two tabs, one called Data View and the other one called Layout View. Go ahead and click Layout View. This is how your map would be printed if you printed it right away. It shows a letter size page in portrait orientation, and the layer that you're printing is showing as this rectangle, and the map is located on that rectangle. Now there are many things that you can change here before you make the final printout, and that's what we will go through in this tutorial. So first of all, go to the toolbar and turn on the layout toolbar strip if it hasn't been turned on yet. You will see the strip very similar in some ways to the navigation strip. It has zoom in, zoom out, and the previous zoom and several other options. It has pan option. These are the things you can do to the map in the layout view. Also notice the status bar, where the location at which the pointer is present at any time is also shown in terms of inches, and also it shows on the map the longitude and latitude of the location where the pointer is present. One thing that you should see, if you right click on the map, you will see a menu that is relevant to the map, whereas if you went to the page and right clicked, you will see some other options that are relevant to page. On this page you have objects and the page, and keep in mind that you can look at the properties of the object or the properties of the page. So let's change the orientation of this map to landscape. Right click on the page, go to page and print setup, click landscape and click OK. So now if you see, the page orientation has changed to landscape. ArcMap provides you with margin guidelines that can help you to place the maps in the best possible way. So go to the ruler and click wherever you want the guidelines. So I'm leaving 1 inch margin on every side, and I'm putting these guidelines that appear as blue lines. So once I have those guidelines, I'm going to click on the map, which selects the map, and drag it to fit that, fit the guidelines. And in a similar manner, I'm going to resize it to fit the guidelines. So now if you see, my map looks better. So the map is not occupying all the space in the map area. I will go to zoom in for the navigation tool and create a box, a rectangular box around the map to increase the size in the box. So now I can also pan it to fit wherever I want in the rectangle that I have created for this map. And you can click back on the pointer, so that that gives you the pointer back. I'm going to stop this tutorial here. Go to the next tutorial for the rest of the information about map layout and printing.